Hey folks, it's fall time. It's pumpkin cake time. We'll also make it the easiest way possible. So no lining, sifting, stirring, multiple bowls and tools. Just make cake as simple as a piece of cake. First, preheat oven to 335 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and flour 2 9-inch cake pans. I guarantee the cake won't stick. No need for wasteful lining. Save the trees! Anyway, these are my favorite cake pans. Thick, heavy, non-stick with straight wall on the side. Perfect. First up, pumpkin puree. We need 14 ounces of it. A typical can is 15 ounces, but I found 14 ounces improve the texture, so we do that in this recipe. Simply just leave a little bit left in the can. Next, 4 eggs. I'm not going to go through all the ingredients, we just simply add the rest of them to the mixing bowl. Most if not all recipes always call for sifting, pre-mixing dry and wet ingredients separately first to prevent large bubbles and tunnels. But when it comes to cakes with lots of moisture or liquid, no matter how much prepping you do, holes and tunnels still happen. So save your time and effort by skipping that, just like what I'm doing. The simpler, the better. Oh, by the way, I won first and second place in the Kentucky State Fair Cake Baking Contest this year 2022. Yay me! Now we mix on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Scrape the side, then stir to mix. Give them a few taps to pop large bubbles. Bake in preheated oven until toothpick test comes out clean, which takes about 28 to 33 minutes. We then leave the butter and cream cheese out near or on the warm stove. They will be ready for the frosting when the cakes are completely cooled down. All clean, perfect. Now we let them cool down for a few minutes before removing from the pans. It's also a good time to cut off the cake domes if preferred. After this, we just leave them there to cool down completely before frosting. Welcome back, time to make our frosting. First, beat butter and cream cheese on medium speed for about 30 seconds. We then add half of the powdered sugar, beat for about 15 seconds. Add vanilla extract and the rest of the sugar. Beat until smooth and creamy, which take about 2 minutes. Guess who got to lick the bitters? Oh yeah? How about we share? Now we just use a spatula to scrape, then mix, and our frosting is ready. I love using a large ice cream scoop. It is so easy to transfer the frosting. Alrighty, so basically we just cover the entire 2 layers with frosting. Just do the best you can. Anyhow, the taste matters most, and it's absolutely delicious for sure. I typically just make a simple spiral on top. Let me know where you are from in the comments so I can say hi to you personally. Use a serrated spatula to make zigzagging lines on the side if you like. Clean the base with the tip of the spatula, and that's it. Simple as that. This pumpkin cake is a must try. It's creamy, yummy, and I'm gonna finish it all by myself. Nah, I'm kidding. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful in the process of cake baking. That's it for today guys. Please like, subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye for now.